Okay, we start now.
Acha, please log in with your name. Okay. Now we were talking. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Please start. अच्छा हमने क्या बोला था? There was also. I will start by whiteboard sharing again. So I said there was speculation. Instead of using dollars for trade purpose, people started using it, speculating with dollars, right? So when people started speculating with dollars, what had happened was demand for dollars went up as a trade this thing also, and also as a part of the trade for trade purpose and also for speculation purpose. Therefore, what had happened when demand for dollar went up, US started minting and circulating more dollars even without caring about the gold backing that it had. देखो जितना डॉलर मैं मिंट कर रही हूँ उसके साथ साथ
Gold backing bhi chahiye, otherwise the system will not work, because if people come and convert their dollars to gold, US will not have sufficient gold to provide them with, right? Then that again the agreement goes in for a toss, fail ho jata hai. But then US, without caring for the gold backing, it started minting and circulating gold. Any doubt here? Are you following? So that was one of the reasons.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Even now, because my connection is perfect here. Even now, is it breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just
Now it's clear, ma'am. You can say.
now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Just now.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, tell me. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही.
अभी आ रहा है आपको? हलीमा, Richa and others, all others. Okay. So what had happened was, these factors were the prime causes for the system to fail. Apart from that, we also had, like, when did the system actually, when did people come to know was when we saw that Britain in 1967 devalued its currency. Why did it devalue? Because when I told you speculation was happening, each and every country was demanding dollars. Other countries' currencies were also getting, circulation was happening haywire. So they had to devalue their currency, right? And फ्रांस में कैपिटल आउटफ्लो बहुत हो रहा था, पॉलिटिकल डिस्टर्बेंसेस, इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंसेस के वजह से भी फ्रांस ने भी डिवैल्यू किया अपना करेंसी, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दे वर डिवास्टेटेड, राइट? एंड नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल दीज करेंसी इश्यूज, it is again a problem. Are you following? Are you following? So all these internal disturbances of the currencies had led to the collapse of international banking system, and by the collapse of Bretton Woods system, and it led to the popularity of international banking, where instead of using US dollar as a via media, each of them started transacting with their own currency. If I accept French franc against INR, some other country would accept INR against Singapore dollar, and so on. The system became very, very popular as a result of the failure of collapse of Bretton Woods system. Any doubts so far? We will just have a recap of whatever we saw now, right? We saw what is international banking, meaning we saw what are the features of international banking, and we saw what are the factors that led to the evolution of international banking. We started with collapse of Bretton Woods system. Bretton Woods system क्यों बोलते हैं उसको? Because this conference was held in Bretton Woods in New Hampshire in USA in 1944, where representatives of 44 countries signed an agreement to establish new monetary system so that all countries' economies could be revived when their issues are all addressed. And then, as a result of the conference, two new institutions, they were called as supranational institutions, namely the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund was born. And we will talk about these institutions and objectives also in the next lecture. Now, the agreement contained that trade would take place in US dollars, only in US dollars, and local currencies be pegged to US dollars, and US dollars in turn would be convertible to gold at an agreed parity of US dollar 35 equal to 1 ounce of gold. Now, what had happened was there was speculation happening in local currencies against dollars, number one. Secondly, when the demand for dollars went up, US minted and circulated lot of dollars without, minding about the gold reserves that it had to maintain. Again, in 1967, the countries like Britain, France were having internal disturbances and political disturbances respectively. And in 1969, France devalued its currency and US or Britain also devalued its currency. Germany also devalued its currency in 1970. These things led to the breakdown of the system. Internal consistency nahi hai, they will not come in for transaction, or the peg between US dollar and these currencies also will not work properly. And therefore, the system completely collapsed in 1971. Okay? So with this factor, we will stop today's learning. We will continue in the next lecture. We will see all other factors that led to the evolution of international banking.